People all the time will tell me how business ownership is hard, or even just doing the research is hard. And it totally is. I'm not going to sugarcoat that for you. But it can feel sometimes like it's breaking you down. And it's not breaking you down. Think of this as like working out. When you work out and you build muscle, every time to build the muscle, you actually tear the muscle, right? So that it can tear, it can rebuild, it can get stronger and bigger. That's exactly what's happening when you're building your business or doing something hard. It's not breaking you down, it's making little tears so that you can get stronger to get better with business, with your work, with working out, whatever it is. So if it feels hard, just know you're getting stronger.